Hello guys, I am back with another video, and in this video I will be giving you a quick introduction to coding. This video is divided into timestamp for you to easily skip around. So first of all, let's know the meaning of a code. A code is a set of instructions given to a computer to perform a certain task. People who write the code are known as coders. So now we know about coder and codes. Now, in which language these codes are written? These codes are written in a special language known as programming language, and the language which computer understands is machine language. The machine language consists of series of zeros and ones, which is also known as binary. I will be covering binary in more detail in the next video. For that, subscribe to the channel so that you cannot miss that video. So back to the topic, machine language or binary is the fastest language which computer understands because it does not have to go under any sort of processes. But on the other hand, it is the hardest language to read, write and correct error for humans. To overcome this problem, other languages were developed, for example Java, C++, Python, JavaScript and so on, for people to easily write code and correct error. But these languages have to be converted into binary. It is the only language which computer understand. Because of the processes of conversion, the languages are slower than binary. As I have told you, Java, C++, Python are the programming language which have to be converted before execution. There are many programming languages, but they are not used for same task. Each language is used for different purpose. Java, Kotlin, Flutter is used for app development. It means for making mobile or iOS and Android apps. Python, JavaScript, HTML and CSS are used for web development, means making website or website apps. C++, C# and Java are used for game development, and Python is used for data analysis and machine learning. That's for it for this video. If you enjoy it, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.